Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube videos. So first thing is just simply go to a specific video, and now here just simply go click on the gear icon over here, and you should be able to see here audio track. And from there guys, you could just simply select a different audio and dub. And now, if you don't have that option, you could also go to your profile on the top right corner of the screen. And now you could just simply go ahead and go for the YouTube Studio over here. And now after that, here on the YouTube Studio, just simply go to the left side of the screen. And then go ahead and go to the settings over here on the bottom left. Now, here on the settings, go for the upload defaults and go for the advanced settings. And if we scroll down, as you can see, you will have here automatic dubbing. So guys, from here, you could disable this one. As you can see, it will turn off, or you could just simply manually review dubs before publishing, which you could select it over here. So to turn it off, just simply uncheck this one and select save. And now when we go back to the settings, and from here go back to the advanced settings, as you can see, when we the auto dubbing is now disabled or turned off. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.